Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to find the transpose of a matrix. So transpose of a given matrix is nothing but we have to arrange the array elements rows into columns and columns into rows. So for that how we can write a program in C language, now we'll see. So this is my header file. So I'll start with my main function. So in that I am declaring two arrays of same size. Because transpose of 3 by 3 matrix is used to read the array elements from the keyboard, and after I am transposing of my matrix I need to save my result in this matrix result 3 by 3. So here we can observe that the two matrices are same size, and then I am declaring two variables I and j, so which I am using my for loop. Because here I am using two-dimensional array, I need two loops for reading or displaying whatever we want to do with it. So then here for I0 I less than 3 I plus plus, and for J0 J less than 3 J plus plus. Because why I am given I0 I less than 3 means my row size is 3, and here my column size is also 3. So enter the array elements at position, and here my array is transpose of ij will give you the indexes. So in a first iteration the ij values is 0 0, so it will ask you like enter the array element at position transpose 0 0 is. So these I and j values we are passing here, so those values coming from this index, and after that j will increment. Now j becomes to 1, so that it will take 0 1 position. J increments, it becomes 2, it will take 0 2 position. So like that it will read the content from the keyboard by using this scanf statement. And after that I am trying to display the original matrix before I am going to converting into a transpose of a matrix. So here I am using simply my printf statements. So this is only for formatting, just it will gives you like a headings. So the original matrix is, so my on my output screen these statements will be displayed like this only, like dotted lines. In between we have the original matrices, and after that again we have a dotted lines. For that format I want to display, I am writing these three statements, and after that simply I am using my for loops for I0 I less than 3 I plus plus, and then J0 J less than 3 J plus plus. So I'll try to display my matrix values. So this is my original matrix values, and my matrix is of type integer, so I'm using percentile d here. Here I'm using backslash t for giving a horizontal space between the elements in a single line, and here I'm using this printf statement backslash n because I want to display my output in array format. If I didn't give here backslash n, then output it will be displayed on a same line. So when I'm giving like this, what the change it will made in output is, after every row, means after every row completed, it will gives me to a next line. So after first line completed, now it comes to the second line. After second row completed, it comes to the third line, and so on. And after that, here I'm wrote a logic for transposing a matrix. Simply I'm reading my array elements line by line. So I want to put in position result of ij position, that is into transpose matrix. This is a matrix which I want to convert into a transposing. So ij equals to ji. Why I am writing this logic is, ij is representation for a row column, and here ji representing for column row. So in my first row, first column is taken as my first column, first row value. So I'll explain how this logic will happen. See, initially I value is 0. So now 0 is less than 3. Condition is true. It come inside. So then it will take j value as 0. And 0 is less than 3. Yes, condition is true. So then it will take the index 0 0. So now result of 0 0 is equals to transpose of is nothing but my original matrix. So 0 1 here, here my j and I is both are 0, so 0 0. So what it will do, the first element of my original matrix, it is copied into the first position of my resultant matrix, and after that j is becomes to increment. Now j becomes to 1, so I is only 0, because we are at internal loop. After we are exiting from the internal, then only we come outside and we can access the outer loop. So j becomes to 1. So now it will take 0 1 position in resultant matrix. In that, so what it will copy the content 1 0, because my j is 1 here, right? So now 1 0 position means in my original matrix, my first row second element is copied into, right? Sorry, my second row first element is copied into my resultant matrix first row second position, right? So in that way it will copy the array elements into resultant matrix, and after that I am trying to print my answer, so which is available at result of ij. So these statements I want to print on my screen, so that I am writing this printer statements, and after that I am using my for loops I0 I less than 3 I plus plus, and then j0 j less than 3 j plus plus. I want to print the resultant matrix. See here percentile d. So because my result is also of type integer, and I'm taken my output from this matrix result of ij. So how it will print? So first it will take 0 0 position and it will print the 0 0 position value, and after that 0 1 position it will take. Why? Because the j is incremented by 1 here, and after that j increments 2, so that it will read 0 0 0 1 and 0 2 positions, and after that it will gives you it will takes your cursor into the next position. Then I increments, because I is 1, and it come inside 1 is less than 3, condition true, it come inside, and it will take j again 0. So in that way it will take a value from 1 0 position. After that j increments, so 1 1 position it will get, 1 2 position also it will get, and after that also j increments, it becomes 3 3 less than 3, condition failed. So now what's happening, it come outer loop, so then I values becomes to 2. So in that way it will read 2 0 2 1 2 2 positions also, right? So I'll show you what will be the output for this program. So it will ask me transpose matrix at 0 0 position element, I'll give as 45, 0 1 position element as 89, and 0 2 position element as 78. So this is my first row, right? In my second row, at the first position, that is a first 1 0 position, I'll give a value as 22, next position value as 63 96, and after that in my third row I'll give a values like this. So now it will display me the original matrix. So the original matrix is nothing but, so what you are given your rows, and that is 45 89 78. See, you can 45 89 and 78, that is of our first row in my original matrix. 22 63 96, 22 63 96, and 78 56 41. So this is my original matrix, and after transposing of this matrix, so what will be the output? It is first row will becomes the first column. So now you can see 45 89 78, it will be the first column, that is 45 89 78. So this is a transpose of a matrix. Thank you.